Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. If you like what you see, keep watching because I'm about to show you how to do it. Let's go. So this is done on like 4th day wash and go. I was gonna wash my hair because my hair needs to be washed around that time, but I was being lazy, y'all. And actually it turned out better with me not washing it. So I definitely recommend this style on stretched or, you know, already washed hair. But I started off with just parting it. I didn't part it technically in half. I more so parted it with more, I guess, like 25% front. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. So now our favorite part. I'm being sarcastic. I hate parting. That's like the worst thing that has ever been invented. Why do we have to part? Why we can't just have jagged edges? I'm just like, no, I actually do like straight parts, but it's just hard to. Anyways, so I parted the middle down. I needed 2 more sections. Well, 4 sections in total. So I basically did half of halves, if that makes sense. After I parted the middle, then I parted both sides. So that's what you're seeing now. It's kind of self-explanatory once you just watch it. I really don't understand why I'm kind of doing these voiceovers. I just feel like you guys just watching me and me not explaining is kind of like, dang. But it is self-explanatory, so I might just be quiet for the rest of the video. But okay, yeah, I'll just see y'all later. Sorry y'all, I'm anemic, so I'm sitting right next to the heater. But in this little part of the tutorial, I'm basically separating my halves into halves. So I'm just taking, I didn't really necessarily make it even. I more so made it even for the halves, if that makes sense. Like the front halves are one size and the back halves are one size. So I basically just took all the little sections and split them up into 2s. I could have probably did this a lot faster with less steps, but it was just easier for me, especially with my hair being the length it is. It was just easier for me to actually take it section by section. So that's what you guys are going to see mostly in this video. So after you kind of see me do one section, I'm doing everything the same for each section. So you really don't have to like take it step by step. You can really just do it all together if that's what you want to do. But this is how I did it, and yeah, I did that because it looks so cute. Like, y'all, this is probably the first style that I feel the most confident with. So that was really exciting. And I'm so happy because this journey has been a journey, but I'm glad I'm going on it because once these curls are popping, oh, you guys cannot tell me nothing. Like, I would be on here doing wash and goes every day because, ooh. But yeah, okay. So, you know, you guys get the point, you know, parting each section into sections, and yeah, so that's what we're doing. And now for the edges. Y'all can't tell me that your girl has not been progressing with these edges. Like, I've been struggling with these edges, but now you can't tell me nothing. I put the edge in edges, okay? I do. I do. But no, seriously, look at this. Like, it's just swooping. And of course I'm using the Cream of Nature Edge Control 24-hour proof wear. It actually does last for a long time on my hair, so that was actually pretty good. So if you guys are interested in the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Edge Control, get at it, because it does good for the edges. Not really good for molding, but actually laying down your actual edges, they work. But yeah, I'm just admiring the work. Like, ooh, your girl did that, your girl did that, your girl did that. But on to the next. Now for the moment we all been waiting for. I'm actually molding everything. I'm taking the Indian hemp oil and actually using that to grease up my hair instead of using edge control, because for me, I realized that edge control goes a long way, but if I'm not really trying to, you know, make something stick up, I don't need it. And the oil is nicer on my hair, especially when I'm using rubber bands. So I also coat the rubber bands with it before I put it on there, and then I get to work. I take each section and rubber band each section. Try to do it not tight, because rubber bands, you know, they can make your hair feel a little whoop whoop. So make sure it's not tight, and just take each section. So I do the back section first. I do the back section first, because with the front, once I'm done with the front, I'm going to basically twist it up into the back. So if the back is already done, it just makes it a lot easier. So I'm using 3 rubber bands on each strand, each section. Please, 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 please make sure you coat those rubber bands with whatever grease, oil, whatever you use to put on your hair. Coat it with that, because nobody wants some tight rubber bands in their hair that's hard to come out. That's just not good for your hair. It's not protective for your hair, and it's just so time consuming trying to take out rubber bands when they can just easily slide out. So make sure you guys do that. I'm gonna let you guys just finish the video uninterrupted without me, because I mean, of course you guys want to hear my voice, I know, duh, but you know, I'm gonna give y'all a break. So love you guys, thank you guys for watching. Keep watching, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, and finish this video out, because the outcome, of course, as you saw in the beginning, is beautiful. So see how I did that. Thank you guys.